Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a shampoo I've been using that I'm really happy with. It's Suave Professional Sea Mineral Infusion. So you guys have probably seen Suave products before. They've been around for a while. They're basically really good shampoos, conditioners, hair products, lotions at a really affordable price. This is Sea Mineral Infusion Moisturizing Body Shampoo. It's for normal to fine hair. It's salon-proven to volumize, as well as Bumble and Bumble Surf. And it is Sea for color treated hair, which I have highlights and dyed hair, so it's been more than great with that. This is for volume and moisture. And it is a 28 full ounce, 828 milliliter bottle. It's just me and my husband in the house, and we've had this, and it's lasted us for a couple months so far, so that's really great. It lasts a while, and it's a large size. I think the bottle is recyclable as well because it's plastic. I don't see the sign on here, like the recyclable sign, but I'm pretty sure it's recyclable. Oh, there it is. So Sea Mineral Infusion Moisturizing Body Shampoo. It's infused with sea minerals. This volumizing shampoo is free from heavy silicones and gives hair natural bounce and body. Shampoo and conditioner system have 24-hour body and moisture, easy to style hair, and luxurious sea-inspired fragrance. This fragrance is really nice. It's like a white, pearly white color and consistency for the shampoo. Smells wonderful. Literally smells like a fragranced ocean. It's really nice, easy pull off top and snap it right back on there, and then I of course leave it upside down in the shower just so that the product will go to the bottom, especially since now it's coming towards the bottom of the bottle. So directions, really easy. Just apply, lather, rinse, and for best results follow with Sea Mineral Infusion Moisturizing Body Conditioner, helping America live beautifully since 1937. The ingredients are water, sodium lauryl sulfite, coca midopropyl-butane, sodium chloride, glycol distearate, fragrance, perfume, car bomber, dimethiconol, hydroxypropylseronium chloride. Sorry, butchering some of these words here. Citric acid, PPG9, tetrasodium EDTA, DMDM hydantoin, T-dodecyl, I don't even know that word's just really, these last few words are hard, and then sea salt. For questions or comments, you could visit www.swab.com or call 1-800-782-8301, distributed by Unilever in Trumbull, Connecticut, 06611, Unilever brand, and it's recyclable. Bumble and Bumble Surf is a registered trademark of Bumble and Bumble LLC, and there's the barcode on the side there. Don't see an expiration date anywhere, but I'm sure it has a pretty good shelf life. Just keep it room temperature until you're ready to go ahead and put it in the shower. I'm just really impressed with how it works. I feel like it gets my hair really clean, really soft, shiny, and manageable. And like I said, it's like a really affordable price, so you get all those things and you don't have to spend a ton of money on it. And they have a conditioner that goes with it as well. I definitely need a really moisturizing body shampoo, especially this time of year. It's like winter time is coming, and you know, your skin and your hair could really like dry out, so you need something really moisturizing. And sometimes I put a lot of product in my hair, like I'll put conditioner, you know, like leave-in conditioner, hairspray, mousse and stuff, and I feel like it really takes all of that out and it leaves my hair smelling great. My husband always says my hair smells good after I use this product. And then of course it's safe on color treated hair, like I said, so that's also definitely good. You don't have to worry about it stripping your hair of its natural oils or of color or anything like that. So I think that this product's really great. Definitely good to have in your shower. You could use this everyday product, and easy to find online and stuff. So guys, this was Suave Sea Mineral Infusion shampoo for volume and moisture. If you guys are looking for, I have thin kind of flat hair, so I was definitely looking for some volume and then of course moisture. So perfect for my hair, perfect for normal hair, normal to oily, I would say. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you guys try out Suave Sea Mineral Infusion yourself. Thanks for watching.